There, look at that. See?
That's why I said, what is that? Oh my God.
That's nice.
Look how cute you look, honey. See, this camera makes you look 20 years younger.
We're gonna talk about it, okay?
There you go. There's
Oh, is that the one that you're supposed to buy in here?
Yeah.
So how did you order? I thought they're not available in America.
Well, these were.
Oh, that
These were,
one?
but not the drones.
Oh, okay.
So
how can you use that one and then the drone? Oh yeah, this
we're
one is
going to use it
different.
at the same
yeah.
time, no?
Oh, so you're gonna flip and flip. Oh, okay.
So, yeah. Kind of tired by eyes. Look at that. I'm tired.
It's okay. You still handsome, honey.
That's debatable.
They still gonna love you, my their favorite brother-in-law.
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
How can they not?
I know, right? So.
Did you have any doubts?
That's good. Did you use that one on white elephant thing?
Yeah.
That's why the angle on you.
That's why it's so smooth and recording. You see how good it?
I didn't know. I thought you just wearing. I thought you just using the one that the camera, the small
gimbal?
camera. Can you just return that one? I rather this one than the other one.
Well, they both have their own
Oh
good
my
uses.
goodness.
And you'll love it.
No. It's gonna be in the CCTV too.
So
Okay, here.
I'm going to get out.
Yeah.
I'm going to surprise the family because they're not expecting me. So I'm going to get out of the car and walk around. And I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go get parts. Bye. Twenty, 21, 22, hello, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30. Favorite brother-in-law. Hello, how are you? Good to see you. Hi, how are you? Drama?
Nadulas na rin yung nag-inom kami. Ikaw? Nag-inom kami rito.
Kenzie, how are you? Good to see you.
Too much drama, surprises.
Who else will hug me? Oh, thank you. I should be doing that to you.
Welcome, Mom. And then she's asking, wow, John is always calling me. Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me?
Hello. How are you? Good to see you. I didn't get a hug from you yet.
Merry Christmas.
Good to see you. Come here. Good to see you. There you are. How are you?
Good.
Good. How are you? Hello. Good.
Kaya mga nakaabang eh. Kaning na nga.
Alam niya More kids in here? Wow, look at all this food. Finley!
Oh, kaya pala si Philip pinapaligo na.
Come here, sweetheart. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Surprise, ha?
Anybody else here?
Yeah.
No Fanya? No Kale? Look at this. Wow. How are you, Finley? Come here.
Good.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Do you like being a big brother now? Do you like being a kuya? Kuya Finn?
Kain na kayo, hoy! Kain na kayo!
Got to graduate to kuya status.
Oh, honey, let's go!
I like your watch. That looks good.
Okay, let's go outside. We're gonna go
Outside?
eat. Come on.
Okay.
Lisa, come on. Oh, dali, ayun na. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you, Happy birthday. You miss Lisa already?
What?
You miss Lisa already?
Yes.
Just how many days left?
Just one week, 7 days.
Oh, dali mo kang serving spoon.
Ay, you wanna eat here?
I got it.
I just eat.
That's right. We just say
You first, you go first. Kasi baka masabi.
first. Okay.
Let's try.
So this. Little pancet. Very good. Oops.
Yung mga sponsor dyan. Pork yan, pork.
You going inside?
How's the flight? Long?
What?
Long flight?
Long flight? So you get 20 hours.
20 hours?
I'm going to turn this off. Got my camera on.
Wow.